If you want to customize your Steam profile the right way, this guide will walk you through the exact steps to make your profile look clean, professional, and more personal. Whether you want to change your name, add a custom URL, upload a new avatar, or upgrade your profile with Steam points, you can do it all in just a few minutes. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Steam Community in your browser and sign in to your Steam account. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner and click your username, then choose View My Profile. This will take you straight to your public profile page where all of your customization options begin. Now, on the right side of your profile, click the blue Edit Profile button. This opens the full profile editor inside Steam. From here, you'll be able to change the main parts of your profile one by one, so take your time and make sure everything matches the style you want. In the general section, start by setting your profile name. This is the name other people will see, so choose something recognizable and easy to remember. Next, set a custom URL if you want your Steam profile link to look cleaner and more personal. If you want, you can also add summary text to describe yourself, your favorite games, or anything else you want visitors to see first. After that, go to the avatar section and upload your profile picture. A good avatar can make your profile instantly stand out, so pick an image that fits your style and is easy to recognize at a small size. Then move to profile background and choose a background that matches the look you want for your profile page. This is a simple way to make your profile feel more complete and visually polished. Next, check the mini profiles section. This controls the pop-up style people see when they hover over your profile in Steam. If you want your profile to look more advanced and professional, this is a great place to make a strong first impression. Now open the privacy settings section. Here you can decide who can see your profile and game details. If you want everything visible, set it to public. If you prefer a little more privacy, choose friends only. This part is important because it controls how much of your activity others can view, so make sure you choose the settings that fit your comfort level. Once you've finished all your changes, scroll down and click the blue Save button. Steam will update your profile immediately, and your new look will be live. If you want even more customization, there's one more place you should check out, the Steam Points shop. Open the Steam Points shop and use your Steam Points to buy extra avatars, profile backgrounds, frames, and mini profiles. This is where you can really make your account feel unique and give it a more premium appearance without needing to guess what works. A few quick tips before you finish. First, keep your avatar simple and clear so it looks good at different sizes. Second, use a background that matches your name color and profile style. Third, if you want a cleaner look, don't overload your summary with too much text. And finally, review your privacy settings anytime you update your profile, especially if you don't want all your game details visible. And that's it. You now know how to customize your Steam profile the right way, from the basic settings to the extra cosmetic options in the Points shop. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.